did it during European Championship that Yurendell had his 100th official interland game, and according to that we have a special pin for that, and I want to honor him today for that because we couldn't do that during the European Championship. I think he's an example as a baseball player and a batter. Well, some of you know I was a pitcher once, and he's the kind of batter that as a pitcher you think, okay, now I've got him, and he got that swing that you think as a pitcher, okay, I'm there, and then the next time, okay, he gets you. And that's the way he bounces back. I think that's an example for how a team can work. You get a good swing, you get a bad swing, but you always bounce back, and I think Yurendell, you're an example for that, for us, for the players in Holland, and an example for the team. And I'd like to honor you with 100 games for the national team. Special team.
Hij speech een bono de ka.
Hey, speech, no speech. Hey, speech, speech.
I know. Thank you, João.
Nego mais.
Vamos começar,
Thank you,
Vou prender cai. Hey, man, I'm
guarda.
Increíble. Vamos pegar coisa.